Hello, boys and girls. In your last lesson, you were asked a question about volcanic eruptions and their effects, and you read pages 32 to 35. So I'm going to show you a RAPS piece that you could have written, a model piece that uses RAPS and SMM about the question from your last lesson. The question was, based on the information in the text, what is the main idea of pages 32 to 35? What can we conclude about volcanic eruptions and their effects? So, we're going to restate, pull the words out of the question, and give an answer in our own words. Based on the information in the text, the main idea of pages 32 to 35 was that the effects of volcanic eruptions can be positive, good for people and land, and negative, bad for people and land. Now we're going to continue on doing our pulling of evidence. We're going to use say, mean, matter. What does it say? What does it mean to us? Why is it important? In the text it states that the richest soil is often found in places with volcanic activity. This tells me that one positive effect is that soil will be able to grow more crops for the people to eat. Continuing on. According to the text, scientists believe that volcanic ash from the Tambora eruption caused the year without a summer. This means that volcanoes have a negative effect because during the year without a summer, families could not grow crops. This is important because without crops, people will go hungry. We continue on. The author states that during pyroclastic flows, plants, animals, and humans can be killed, and avalanches of death scorch everything in their paths. This means that so many living things will be burned to death. And then we finalize with a conclusion. In conclusion, the main idea of pages 32 to 35 was that the effects of volcanic eruptions can be positive, good for people and land, and negative, bad for people and land. Things can grow better, worse, and die. Notice I took the idea that I gave at the beginning, repeated it, reiterated it at the end, but I also kind of said it in my own words. I gave another idea. I gave an overarching idea, my opinion about things. Okay. Boys and girls, I want to see you use these phrases, and I want to see you organize your pieces using RAPS and say, mean, and matter.